restaurant with a hotel, and there are like restaurants.
Coffee tungi mela suranga coffee tungi laiba.
Hey, Jaco sini
You want
pakai.
this coffee? Thank you.
Yeah, this is Ajit.
Too much, oh baby, you're so cold. I love you're a sad boy.
The Myeongdong Street. Ajit, Tashi ready? Oh,
Thank you.
this one is rice cake and sausage. Hello. Good morning, welcome back to twinphosafamily, and today is our Korea trip day 4, and today we'll be doing shopping and probably eating out and stuff. We haven't really decided like specific things, so shopping for sure. Already, stay tuned. This is the rooftop of the Airbnb we're staying at. And we have a Namsan Tower. You can see Namsan Tower from here. Namsan Tower from here. And they have, this is the town. Okay, we're headed out now. And the weather is beautiful. I don't remember the name of the place we're going to, but wherever it is, it's gonna be fun. There is the convenience store right in front of the restaurant, restaurant with the hotel, and there are like restaurants. So we are out of the alley, and there are lots of restaurants. 다 다른 남시 룽다균이라 남시 니마시라 메나이라 그 전부도야. It's warm and nice. 12:07. First we are headed to get something to eat. Then we're going to shopping. Then anywhere because it's nice. Nice nice place, nice weather. Finally I was able to get rid of that the peppered jacket. Yeah. The place we stayed at, it's actually very nice. It's a building, the King's Garden. It's a building and they have like 2 apartment style in each floor. It's kind of small, but they have everything. They have tiny kitchen, 3 beds, 2 double or queen, 2 queen bed, I think. 2 queen bed and 1 twin bed. And the washroom is clean and hot water. They have shampoo, conditioner, everything, towel, blow dryer, everything. A fridge, they have microwave. And we are staying at the 8th floor. 9th floor they have terrace. They have nice tiny patio. We can hang around in the evening. And on the 1st floor they have laundromat, which is free. They have kitchen for everybody, for all the guests to use. They have bread, jam, and everything available. And they also have stack of umbrella by the door. If it's raining, anybody can grab an umbrella. Just borrow the umbrella. So it's very nice. I'll try to give the room tour later. We were kind of tired last night because we reached here around 3 a.m. I think. So I'll try to give the room tour later today or tomorrow as we are leaving. We're leaving on the 8th, the after. So Tashi is checking out the schedules. since we're taking train. Oh,
Airport.
먼저 칼라사야 디윈 트레인 린 도래. 디도에 사야를 좀. 래 트레인 린이 파사야. Okay. Already.
Coffee tungni mela suranga coffee tungni lai ba. Thank you for the coffee.
아직 되게 라이 먹고 술했어?
My boyfriend with the money
Money and fire.
and fire.
Fire. So we got royals. I think they're going to the palace, yeah. They have His Majesty and because they're the chick mangmire, chick armire. Nice. And then the princess, and then the maid. Hi, very beautiful. Yeah. So right now we're at this location. I'm not sure what stop we are going to, but let's explore. Trending the visa beauty.
Sayu India hectic. Yozu lani la yoro shigi.
This is cute though. The phone chains are cute. Yeah, Ninjala, very cute. Oh my God, tada, so many memories. Back then we used to have a doll like this in Nepal when we were kids. I should get this for Tugurumbuche. Yeah, I should get this for Tugurumbuche. We were going to shop at Daisco, but I don't know if I can get this, so I'm gonna take this now. Oh, acha chala. Aji reading the Ajikara. So this is Seoul's train map. Seoul train map. And this is, I think, the map for this station. This train.
Stop
Zima. Thank goodness for the escalator. Thank goodness for escalator like. Oh, go again, my chimudu. Uncle, because it's strange chira. My uncle think when you mortgage chira, and the galangas among walk chirani, Kansas at the Suke doya. Suke and I came in the I don't want it to get worse, my uncle. So walking is fine. And here we go. Good morning, city. Oh God. Good morning, city. The only con about this Osmo Pocket 3 is they don't have good zoom. Wow. Look at this. What character is this? It's a big one. they have big plushie, and kids are drawing chalks around. We were told it's Children's Day today, so this is like a mini theme park for kids. They have different kind of activities. Oh wow, these are like Lego pieces. Very nice. Lots of tiny Lego pieces. I don't know if this is their city hall or something. They have this dome. Seoul city bus. Some India, the tour doon hindi mo siya boyarda. I think this is the tour map. I don't think we're taking the tour bus though. She's making TikTok. Nice. Na hindi pick up ko tungod because confidence yura ngo magsan nige nga pick up ko tungod. Someday ngabuni yang kya turn to street lane ni thap dege thoye ja. Tad lesta 43 tada. Because the road is so big. Their countdown starts from like 50 I think. 50 or 40 something. 45. Dun dun. I think corn dog, potato hot dog, potato cheese dog, rice cake. Rice cake, hi, fish cake, and oh my god, spicy fish cake. Then juice. The rice cake, the 카차오 든수다라 따두라 심도가 더 해지야. 맞아요라. 마오 심도가 더 해지야. So we are going to get something to eat first. We were there just now. I wonder what it is. Oh my god, this one looks so good, so healthy. For people who have cold, who's sick, whole chicken with ginseng and soup. I don't know what's the name. So this is the name. And these are the menu. These are the menu. And then we are headed in. Hi. Together. Thank you. Oh, 네. 가서 러닝맨 레요. 제숙. Did they come here for a show? And then that's the menu. Oh, they I think they were here. Jesus was here. This is one of the most popular beer here, Cass and Terra. So I think we are setting up barbecue meat samgyeopsal. We're doing barbecue meat here, and yeah. 막걸리. 아저야. 닝 좀 더. 저 장시 나야 돼. 너거로. 괜찮아 아자. 아자 가겠지. So now the meat is going on. Wow. Papa is already hot. 감사합니다. 약포션이 100kg. 네, this is 아지스 비빔밥.
So we went for brunch straight and this string is
Aja string is the jinda.
brunch. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aja. Special barbecue. Teaching us. Aja ghare first lettuce. Lettuce chila ghare. Marsa anisha. Oh, ngamu di sisi anisha. Oh, and then the dinzo. So you can add any of these. So this is the meat cooked. Looks good. And I'm gonna dip into the red sauce. And on top of that, a teeny tiny piece of garlic. Teeny lot of it's pretty big. Piece of garlic. I might as well add a kimchi. And I'll add some rice. Oh my god, this is going to be a big one. I'm gonna look like a chipmunk. The whole thing goes into my mouth like fun. 막걸리 chunk. The sweet I should snappish. A little too sweet for me. Grab a spoonful of rice. Dip it into Okay. We're gonna enjoy the brunch and see you later. Tashi can mix it with singsoda.
Thank you.
You know the unlike movie jera. Makgeolli jero thong.
Little monster.
Oh, Chundule yore. Did you borrow the glasses from Chundula jana?
But that's from the airport.
Tashi, 그 미과 담으라 그 voice야. 배 지고 거기 되시.
Tibetan.
아, nice.
그래야면 잠바 보여줘 어제.
말네 그 참만 말해. 그 미과 담래. 그래서 쭉 근데 뭔가 아이스에서 하대.
아니 시일보니 땅인 봐.
No, 셰단이 말해. 셰단을 하듯이 next year 미과 담기라. 그 어디 카페 먹고 산대. 셰단한테 next year 미과 담기래. So Aja bought jacket, track jacket. Aja pay limbodo.
Wow.
Yeah, oh limbodo. Oh yeah. Color yeah, I like bright. Yeah, I'm just looking good. Let's go, Tashi.
This is my Instagram story.
Ganda.
내 야가들, 내 야가들.
Ni chân nhìn cho mà Tashi. Ni chân nhìn cho mà được.
Wait and see. Follow me at Jinyop 777.
Okay. So we are going. I think we're going. Ajang, ajang, ta shopping there. Okay. So now our next stop is shopping.
얘네도.
Ale, wala. Dini do pani pensa ya maresa. Aji ko. Aji ke tanda. Where's my sister?
Hey, come.
Aji. Aji is like memory box. This is all the memory box.
얘 내가 좋아.
Of course, ngi video 계셔야지.
오케이. 사람이 누구야 되신래?
Aji,
뭐라 니르샤.
내가 동바지도 돼. मैंने देरा इंडे स्टिकी नो देरा इंडे स्टिकी नो निशा
나는 이기랑 치.
अरे ये क्या है
얘나야. 야무 통문도.
अरे स्टिकी नोट लेकिन जर्गी में की कट गया
1000
अरे पिया कुछ चुरा
was here.
Palden was here and who is Palden? Show me Palden. This is Palden. This is my sister Palden. Aji that way. कुछ खाके दिने ला देछ कुछ पेकिन nepchi dish. So ngaju sumreda par gela line up chili. Line up. It's a photo booth. We took a nice picture. Okay, thank you. That's our photo. This is what it took. Okay.
억울함을 토로하는 게 개웃겨. 반장님이라고.
There is some kind of outdoor market.
A few moments later.
So this is the popular bridge. So anyone who watches K-drama, this is the popular bridge. We were told this is Dongdaemun Palace. A royal family used to live here. Right now it's in the middle of the city. And I just said like from there, there's a lot of like most of them are Nepalese restaurant. I can see Nepal flag over there. See, the problem with this one, it cannot zoom that much. We're taking the train again. We're going to, what is the place again? I forgot. This is one of the popular shopping spot. We're going to one of the popular shopping spot. So.
Lie, no way. You look at too much. Oh baby, you're so good. I love yourself. Oh yeah. And if you take
Mario Beaver.
the lie,
This is Mario Beaver.
holding on to something you're so good. I love yourself. Yeah. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Thank you very much.
명동 트렌드 침실. 캐릭터가 만든 거.
Walking around the Myeongdong street. There are lots of exciting stuff, I should say. Oh, they're here. Thank you. Okay. We are inside Olive Garden. Aji is asking about this the shoes. So Aji is getting a shoe. She's getting a Nike Shox ra. Nike Shox. Canada liyo maratanda.
They're bringing it back. Maybe it's already there, but I haven't seen it.
So she found one here. She tried it and she liked it. So she's getting that. I think we're going that way. Ajit, Tashi ready? Oh, thank you. I thought Tashi is having this for his throat, sore throat. Is it good? Refreshing? Yeah, good. Delicious.
Want to take a sip?
No, Ajit. I'm just too scared to drink anything. I don't wanna suffer because I need to look for washroom. Shrimp. This is dumpling. Chicken. Wait, nasi ini kecil. Yeah. Kasi kala chicken ini 이게. Oh wow. 나 처음 해봤어. This one is rice cake and sausage. One minute, thank you. It looks good.
Myeongdong shumado.
Ah?
shumado.
Ala, di kala na di chilo ke jado dosa ma alu re.
Shumado.
Oh, cheese sausage.
Myeongdong 되지.
I'm just getting souvenir.
Diablo is in the historic monument.
So you guys welcome to the market.
No, we are at different market. Oh my god.
언제때 남대문 시장 내에 낙송기 그러니까 마켓.
Oh, Naksongi market re. Oh, that means Tashi. Chalang only original yakpura kare gongkyola.
아니 디스카운트 그래서
Oh,
알긴 지.
gongkyola chala original yakpura kare esa. Okay. But like,
샘제기보다 창마에 가지고 오더라.
okay. Ah, bola the market kang dish. Minghao me lene. Minghao me but this already dining jala. Land dining jala.
How much?
호두는 $28,000.
$28.
숏은 $15,000.
알았어?
티셔츠 고구마점하게 굳이 니 23개.
So also 28,000 lashsa. There 28,000 is our so is this Leon at the front? Their 28,000 is our 28 Canadian. Summer dressing jumun jada. Kachalana regardless of brand, mean if it's comfortable, if it's cotton and it's comfy, Raya. See? Di market sa di songa ni je. Di brand di ke. Brand mo ne re di jigo yore ta ko knockoff me nani. Paduni ranga tahine hako yo marda ya. Songa yang chagan ya chagan ngone isi. Hala. 그다 딘조에 나는 약보다 because it's leather gi korang handmade leather gi korang kale gen soge de actually. We're taking a break. We've been walking all day. So just a little break. Little break.